Welcome to your new Seesaw class. On your Seesaw, you will see 3 tabs: Journal, Activities, and Inbox. Today we're going to explore each of the 3 tabs. First up is Journal. This is where you will see all of your posts and any posts that your teacher sends you. Here, my teacher has already sent me a post. I can use the arrows to see the different pages in the post, and I can even go down here to the comment button and leave my teacher a comment. All posts and comments need to be approved by the teacher before they're public. So that's why it says pending approval. Up next, we're going to have the Activities tab. You'll notice the red shape here. That means I have activities that my teacher sent me. If I go to the Activities tab, I can see all the activities my teacher sent me for the day. The first one's called Cookie Counting. I can read the directions, or I can play the instructions here. When I'm ready to add my response, I can click on the green button. It'll open up the activity. This activity is a drawing activity. If I forget what the instructions are, I can click up here on View Instructions. There are lots of tools for me to use to complete this activity. After I roll my dice, I need to draw the dots on the dice here. I can use any of the draw tools down here, or the eraser if I make a mistake, to draw the dots. I'm going to try this one. Then I can pick my color and draw my dots. Up next, I need to write the numeral. I can write it with one of the draw tools, or over here, I can use the typing tool to type it. If I really want to, I can drag it over, click on the 3 dots, and change the style of it. I can make the background disappear or add a color background. I can change the font or change where it is in the box. I would make the background disappear. There we go. Now I need to fill out my 10 frame. I rolled a 2, so I'm going to need 2 dots. Up next, I need to do a picture. I'm going to use this fancy pen. And then down here, I can pick how many cookies and circle them. All right, I'm all done. Let's talk about some other features here. Over here, I can record my voice if my teacher wants me to. I can click on the camera to add a photo, a video, or upload another file if my teacher asks me to. And then on the 3 little dots, I can do shapes, background, or add a link if my teacher asks me to. If I make a mistake, I can always use the back arrow. I can also zoom in up here to get closer, or zoom back out. I made a mistake there, so I'm going to use the back arrow. Again, here's view instructions. If I'm not done, I can save it as a draft to finish later. But if I'm done, I'm going to click on the green check. But before I click on the green check, it's always a good idea to check to make sure there's not more pages I need to complete. This activity only has 1 page, so I'm all done. I'm going to click the green check. It's going to send my activity to my teacher. This blue box will appear to let me know that my teacher hasn't seen it yet. Once my teacher sees it, it'll disappear. She may even leave me comments down here. Let's look at the next tab, Inbox. This is where my teacher will send me messages. I can click here and see the message my teacher sent me. Look, she sent us our message for the first week of school. At the bottom, she included a link, so I'm going to click on it, and then to open it real big, I'm going to click it one more time. Here are all my teacher's resources that she sent us, our weekly objectives, and our small group times. This button's going to be really important because this is where I'll click to go to our class meetings, or if I have small group time with my teacher. Here's our virtual learning expectations. Your classroom may look different than mine. Here's our schedule. My teacher's going to explain more about this. And then here's our daily activities, so I know what I have to complete each day. Your teacher will explain more about this as well. When I'm done looking, I can click out and go back to my class. That's your Seesaw class. One other thing that you can do here is in the Announcements tab, you could also send in a message to your teacher as well.